Plants have adapted some surprising mechanical ways to defend themselves against being eaten. If all plants were easily eaten, they would quickly die out, so some of them have evolved to be more difficult to eat. What are some of the ways that plants have adapted to defend themselves? Some plants use mimicry to trick animals. Mimicry means to copy other things. You might be familiar with this plant, its fruit, and its flowers. This is a passion fruit. The passion fruit plant uses mimicry to avoid being eaten by having spots on its leaves that look like butterfly eggs. This diagram shows what these spots on passion fruit leaves look like. You only need to state that some plants use mimicry to trick animals, and you don't need to learn any specific examples like the passion fruit, but this will help you to understand the concept. So how does the passion fruit plant use mimicry? Butterflies will avoid laying their eggs on these leaves to minimize competition for their offspring. Remember, these spots look like butterfly eggs. Because of this, it discourages butterflies from laying their eggs on it. This decreases the chance of the plant having caterpillars feeding on it. That's pretty clever. What other adaptations do plants have to deter animals? Some plants have leaves that curl or droop when touched by an insect as it lands on them. This curling makes it more difficult for insects to consume the leaves, and the drooping can make the insects slip off, also decreasing the chances of the plant being eaten. The Mimosa pudica plant does this, making it difficult for insects to feed on it. For the exam, you only need to state that some plants have leaves that curl or droop when touched. You don't need to learn any specific examples. Let's have a look at one more adaptation that plants have to deter animals. Many plants have evolved to have thorns, spines, or even tiny hairs to avoid being eaten. So some plants have thorns to deter animals from eating them, for example, blackberry bushes. Cacti often have spines to protect them from being eaten and keeps their water store safe. And some plants, such as tomatoes, have tiny hairs on their stems, which makes it difficult for insects to land on them and feed. You only need to state that some plants have evolved thorns and hairs and don't need to learn any specific examples.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!